Hello guys, today we are going to look into how do we traverse the array in binary tree in pre-order traversal. So you will be given a tree node. So if you have not looked into the previous video of how do we traverse the array in order, I would recommend you to go and look into it. But for the completeness, I would also like to touch upon how do you represent a tree node given an interview problem or given a problem, how do you traverse it? You should be able to quickly come up with the representation. So tree node contains its data, which is the val, and a tree node contains the left node and the right node. It's a binary tree, so it contains two nodes, which is two children, which is left and right. When we are initializing it, we should initialize the tree node with a constructor which takes in the data and sets the value to the appropriate value, which is passed via a constructor. So given that, let's go into pre-order traversal. So the signature of this pre-order traversal looks very weird. I took the signature, I solved this problem from lead code, right? So the lead code expects us to return an array list after traversing the array. So the pre-order traversal goes like this. You traverse, you print the current node, go to the left node and the right node. Current node, left node, right node, current node, left node, right node. So it goes like this. So when what I would do is if I have traversed the entire tree, I would return the array list. Otherwise, I would add the current node to the array list, and I do a pre-order of the left tree, and then I do the pre-order of the right tree. So I would repeat it. Preorder traverses the tree in the order which it is given. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that way it keeps first visiting the root node first and the left node and the right node. Root, left, right. That's how it traverses. So we have an array which we have a tree which whose root node is 1, whose left is 2 and the right is 3, and the right's left is 4. So when we traverse this array, we should get an output of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me run this code. Okay, so it prints 1, 2, 3, 4. For people, if this code looks little weird, I would like to code and show in a very simple way of pre-order traversal without adding it to the list and everything. So public void pre-order of tree node root. So if root equal to null, we cannot do anything when the root is null, and then I say return. Then see, we have to visit the first node that we got, right? So what I need to do is I would print the current node, print ln root dot data, root dot get val. So since I have printed the current node, the next thing I have to do is pre-order of the left tree. So pre-order of root dot left, and then hence I have visited the left tree, I have to put pre-order of root dot right. Okay, so since this is what is pre-order traversal, what I do is if the current when I have visited the node where it becomes null, I just return. Else I would visit the current node, I go to the left part of the tree, and then I visit the right part of the tree. So last time when we ran the pre-order, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4, right, the list. So I would pre-order traversal dot pre-order of root. So this also should give the same output. So let's run and compare the results. Okay, so the array list contains 1, 2, 3, 4. When we printed it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 1. So this is how it goes. So the above code looks very easy for you to very quite intuitive to understand, unless this is how lead code provided me the signature. So I just coded like that. Thank you guys. Let's visit in a different video in a different time.